Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be something a little bit different. It is going to be an unboxing, and I first want to say thank you to everyone who posted on my community post as to if they thought I should do one large unboxing or if I should split these boxes up. But you guys know how I roll. I like to do some extras, sometimes mod shots and comparisons and things like that. So I thought that I would just split them up just so you guys can get the most bang. So another fun thing guys about this unboxing is one of these boxes is a never say never unboxing that was chosen by one of my guy friends. So I have no clue what he purchased. I have no clue which box it is. One of these boxes is a pre-loved item, so I do know what box that is based on the label. So this is going to be very interesting. So anyway, guys, if you are interested in seeing this, the Doonieistas pick my unboxing, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I am so excited. So I first want to show you that all of the boxes are sealed. As you can see, sealed. Sealed. None of them have been opened yet. Sealed here. Sealed. This one is the pre-loved. I can tell by the tape and the box. And here is the last box. As you can see, they are all sealed, have not been opened yet. So now let's just put these back in order. And then here is the last one. Okay guys, so I am going to post a quick photo of the voting to show you which box the Doonieistas chose for me to open first. So based on the numbering, this box is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 won. So let's get to box number 5. And it looks like this is one of the larger boxes. And I'm trying to remember what I ordered that might be in that larger box. Or you guys, that might be the mystery never say never. So, all right, I got to make sure I keep the boxes in order. So here is the box that I'm going to be unboxing today, guys. This is a big box. Unless they put a couple bags in one box. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Okay guys, so are you ready? So again, this is box number 5, and I have been trying to figure out what might be in this box. So let's see guys. If this is the never say never, it's really making me nervous now. So let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. This must be the never say never. Oh, this is definitely the never say never. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just so funny. So funny. Okay, there is the packing slip. Oh my gosh, you guys, This is definitely a never say never. Definitely a never say never. Oh, oh, there's two things in here. Okay, guys, so let me turn the box around. Oh my gosh, you have to be kidding me. This is actually pretty funny, and I won't share this story with you right now, but I am going to kill him. This is so funny. All right, guys, so are you ready? Here is the bag, and from what it looks like, it is the Dooney Bourke Leisure Shopper in the color brown tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I am literally going to kill him. And you guys, are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, guys, so let's take this out of the box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then here is the other little piece that goes with it. I'm assuming that it is the matching wallet. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is, you guys know I always have a story. Guys, this bag, I have actually been on the fence about this bag for many years. And I'm going to say many, which I'm going to stretch it out and say maybe 5 or 6 years. I have been on the fence about this bag. First of all, because it is signature, and I very rarely do signature print. And my guy friend and I had a conversation maybe a couple of weeks ago. I've had this one for, I'm going to say about 2 weeks ago, because we had that conversation. It was maybe like the first part of October. So, and I've had it maybe about a week and a half or so. So, oh my gosh, guys, I am literally going to kill him. Oh my gosh, a leisure shopper in the signature print. So this was definitely a never say never, guys. Definitely a never say never. So again, this is the Dooney Bourke Leisure Shopper in the color brown tomorrow, and there is the item number if you are interested. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see here. Let's see what we have. And if I were going to get one of these, brown tomorrow is the one that I would have chosen. So let's see here. Wow, this is a huge bag, you guys. Huge bag. Wow. Look at this. So I'm assuming this was a return. I don't know. I'm not sure if in the outlets, if these have plastic on the handles. I'm not sure, but I can absolutely tell that it is a new bag. Oh wow, yeah, these handles are extremely stiff, extremely stiff. So as you can see, guys, very clean. Wow, this is a large bag, guys. Very large bag. Okay. Absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe that he did this. Wow. And you know what? I actually think I like it. I've always liked it, but it was just a signature dealie that kind of threw me off a little bit. So, but I like it, guys. Look at it. It has the beautiful trim here. Very nice size. It has the gold-plated logo here on the front. It has 4 feet on the bottom. Oh, wow. This is actually really nice, guys. Really nice. So, got something else. Now, I would say that if this is the matching wallet, this probably would not be a never say never, because I will do the signature print in accessories. And I do, don't get me wrong, I do own a couple of signature pieces like the Vanessa. I have that in the white as well as the black on black. And I also have a Susanna tote that's also in a black on black. So let's see here, guys. Let's move this over to the side. Wow, it is very stiff. The handles are extremely stiff, which kind of tells me that it has not been carried. So let's see here. Oh, the matching wallet. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Look at this. Absolutely love this, guys. So the wallet too is the Greta print, and it is in the Tomorrow Brown. And as a matter of fact, I have been looking at this wallet and wanting this wallet to go with my sunflower bags, to go with my brown Tomorrow bags, and also my bone bags. I think this will look pretty nice with a bone bag. So anyway, guys, this unboxing has turned into a never say never unboxing. So again, my friend knew that I had this never say never series, and so he went online and he purchased something that I always say never to. Wow. Wow. I actually like this. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.